extending the life of your system. So we want to take care of, make sure that we're doing that. And also a lot of warrant manufacturers require a maintenance to be done in order to satisfy the warranty period. So even though they're giving you 20 years, and in some cases they'll say, we're going to give you a lifetime warranty. Well, that's on certain parts of your system that they say the lifetime, and that's just for the original buyer of it. But in order to qualify for that, they're going to require you show them maintenance records. So getting that will make sure that you extend the warranty period and keep your system operating at peak performance for as long as we can on that system. And I've seen some systems that are so well maintained that we're talking 25 to 30 years later, and they're still, working properly. They're not the most efficient systems because technology has changed, but because of the maintenance, they've extended the life of their system and they're still working properly that many years later.